If you are a civil engineer and you really want to know how to sketch to explain something in your career, this video is for you. Let me source you up. If it is what you did before for your sketch, no, stop doing this and join with me to do a better sketch. So here we go. Let me introduce you a bit if you are a new guy here. Sketch is about how to use your basic material for sketching. I will introduce you like the pencil, like the eraser, like the paper or the books. The basic key point to learn about the sketch is trying to draw the line. So drawing the line, as you know, the line is coming up from the 2 points. So when we trace the first point to the second point, it makes the line, it creates the lines. You see this kind of construction side coming from the line. So this is the practice to use the line to make the shape. So from now, why don't you start picking the pencil and the paper, start pointing 2 points, and then start tracing from one to another. However, there are 2 kinds of line. One is short line, while another is the long line. Long line is maybe more difficult than the short line. Now starting a bigger or little bit longer line. As you can see here, we try to trace it in the straight way. If you cannot trace the line from one to another in the straight way, meaning this video is make your hand or your fingers here to control your line tracing. This is the skill that you would well do since the beginning time for the sketch work. Try to do it. Don't worry, it's the time for start doing. If you make it not aligned, not straight, no worry. Okay, right now I think that you can start be familiar to trace the line properly already. Now I start to draw some of the geometry shape like a square like this, because the square, as you know, is combined from the 4 lines with together. Next one is the triangle. The triangle coming from the 3 straight lines combined together as well. So the last one is about the circle. Circle quite difficult. We need to trace it like this. So start doing this, start practicing this. It's not 100% angle or correct one, but we can do it. The next one, we start show some of the 3D for cube. So the cube, somewhere like this, also we make the line to make the shape. So making the shape by the straight line, tracing the straight line from the beginning of the video will help you. This triangle as well, we have like a cone. The cone is the below one in the shape like a square. It's easy. Don't worry, just start doing this. Yes, it will not too much difficult for you. The last one is the circle. I want to make a ball with the reflection of the shadow. So I believe in this video you already learned a lot about the line tracing, including the shape, some shape of geometry shape as well. Okay, so I believe we see you next video for starting the new lesson from the sketching. Goodbye, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.